Thank you for buying this 15724 reinforced tape from Fixture Displays. This is a waterless reinforced tape. In other words, it does not require water. The width is 3 inches and the diameter on the outside is 5.1 inches. The core is a 3-inch core. We're going to cut off a piece to demonstrate how this works. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. And make sure this core size of 3 inches work with your machinery if you're using a gun or a roller. As we peel this back, it's sticky without using water. And there are 4 reinforcement ribs horizontally along with the diagonal reinforcements. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. We have water activated version as well, and the part number is 15723. Now we applied a small piece and instantly it works. As we try to peel off, it will generate fiber tear. Any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. You're going to love this tape. And remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Also subscribe, like us, and do come back to fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Thank you.